action.
Okay, we're going to give Lola, what's the date today? September 20th, 2008. Her cousin Jacob got her the special bib, and we're going to give her her first cereal ever. Ready, Lola? Okay, here we go. Here we go. You want it?
Oh, look at that. She knew how to open her lips.
Good. Oh, how cute. Look at.
You like that? Let's try another scoop.
How do you do?
Good job. Oh, hold on. Don't get caught in that bib. Look at how good your cousin Jacob's bib is working. Good thing he got that for you. Here we go.
She's smiling. Look
Here,
at
let's try
she
one more
likes
scoop.
that.
Ready? Okay, let's have Grandma. Oh, you want that? She's taking the spoon. She's like, give me more. Let's have Grandma try to feed you. Let's have Grandma try to feed you.
Nana feed you?
Okay.
Oh, goodness. I don't know. I'm so out of practice. Hold on.
Okay. Grandma's gonna try to feed you now.
Oops. Can't even get it. Look at. Woo.
You gotta tilt the cup.
Hold on to this. I'm not set up. And she needs to be on my other arm.
Okay.
Because I'm right-handed.
You gotta come over here then.
There. Okay, now hold it and tilt it. There we go. Poor little girl. I jiggled her to max.
Just wait till you have fruit.
She likes that.
Yay! Do you like that, Lola? Do you like that? She's good.
She does like it.
Rachel, you're not recording. Oh, yeah, you are. Okay, good.
Don't scare me. We gotta do it all over again. Okay, Lola. First time ever.
Oh, she's doing so
Okay, let
well.
Auntie have a try now.
Okay. Oh, look, she wants more.
That's what I do.
No, go on.
No, Auntie,
You gotta do
we all of
it.
us do it. Jacob has to give her a bite, too. Okay, here goes Auntie Rachel. Say hi, Auntie Rachel.
Hi, Auntie Rachel.
Hi, Auntie Rachel. Oh, look at she got it on me.
No, that's donut.
Great.
That is so funny. Got one more.
Oh, why didn't you tell me sooner? Oh, look at.
Hey, you know what? These spoons are so good for teething.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, oops. I need the bib. Yummy, yeah. Look at what a good eater you are. Okay, cousin Jacob needs a turn.
She's doing so well.
I know, it's ridiculous, right?
Yeah.
Jacob, you want to give her a taste?
Gotta get
Say
rid
hi,
of
cousin
that.
Jacob.
Say hi.
Hi. Okay, now Jacob's giving her a turn. You gotta tilt the glass to the side.
Is that good?
Like, yeah.
Is that enough?
That's fine.
Okay, go on.
Cousin Jacob.
Look at she's ready.
I know, Jazam.
Go, Jacob. Good job.
Sometimes she just sips it right off without even trying.
Oh my God, what are we having?
No.
Yay, baby!
That's funny.
She's doing really good.
She is.
She was ready.
Oops.
Come here, Lola.
Watch out. You don't want him to hit the... Her little hands.
This is huge.
Yay. Okay, goodbye, Lola. We're gonna get some pictures now. Say bye-bye.